Here we go again. I thought this was all over. Look at this god dang on Minnesota. Went to sleep. We did see dirt on the ground. But woke up this morning, it was like this again. Look at the trees. It's beautiful. But I am tired of it. I don't know about anybody else. Look at my car. Look at my husband's truck. Everything is, well, it's not his truck, but to God be the glory. His truck is at the daycare, but this is Minnesota again. All of this god dang on snow. I told my husband we're going to get up in the morning and go shopping. I don't think that's going to happen today. Just want to let you guys see what we're going through in Minnesota. During the night, we hit another winter storm. And this is what it looks like. Look at this. All the cars are covered again. The rooftop. I should have showed you guys how it looked yesterday. Yesterday was no snow. It was just a little snow. All of it was almost gone. But today, we're going through this all over again. This is Penny. I just want to show you what we're going through in Minnesota. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe and like and hit that bell so I can let you know when we warming up. So this is Minnesota. This is Minnesota. We got, I think they said it was 5 to 10 inches. And it looked like we hit the 10-inch mark here. Just look at this. Look at it, look at it. But again, like I said, subscribe and like and hit that bell, and I'll keep you informed what's going on in Minnesota.